Man, you already know the vibe. Early morning. Gotta start the car. Yes, sir.
The beat plug.
So we driving to work again, and I still don't have a harness for my GoPro yet, so I still will be holding it with one hand. But yeah, we gonna get this thing started. I got my tent, so I can't roll down my windows, but I'm pretty sure you can still hear my car. Don't know how loud I gotta talk to go over it, but you should still be able to hear my car perfectly fine. Yeah, so the roads are wet from the previous rain last night and the day before that, but I'm gonna try to get out some little small pulls here and there if possible. But nah, yeah, welcome back to the channel, man. We got another POV video driving to work, because the very first one seemed to hit numbers, second one doing okay, so we got a third video right here. Wake her up just a little bit. Got these tents on too. I be watching some people's videos where tents be looking red, but I think my camera look black, so we should be good to go. I like having my tents back now. I got my privacy, man. I was fishbowling for way too long. I should have been fixed this. Go ahead, lady. You about to go? Oh, she bugging for. She over here standing at the crosswalk and not even go across. Bugging. Oh, I think this is my man Matt. Is my man Matt right here? I think this bro gone. I can't roll down my window. Say what's up to him. I think that's my bro right there. Ain't no way that's him. Since it's Toyota, I don't know. It might be him. I might gotta pull up on the kid. I don't know. I think that's him. I swear to God that's him. I got my tents though, so I can't roll down my window. So I'm gonna look stupid. I'm gonna have to like open my door. Alright, so it is confirmed that is Matt. So that's dope. That's my bro. But dang, these people driving so slow, man. Yo, I'm about to definitely go around here. You fucking speed camera say 35. I'm going 38. We good. Nah, that's Matt. I'm about to give him the red lights, man. He about to get the red lights real quick. We gonna turn the color on real quick. Give him the. You got the feds up here, but we still give him the red lights. We'll be alright. I think we pulled over. Yo, these people, what are they doing today? Yo, you done got over like 4 or 5 times, bro. Tired of these people, man. But yeah, I'm still learning with the POV videos. I'm sorry. I don't really got much to talk about because the season about to switch up, so we about to get a lot of snow, a lot of rain. It's about to be real cold. Car meets and stuff gonna be over. So I'm gonna figure out what type of content I can still do for y'all other than gaming. My boy Matt right there. Scoot up real quick, bro. I'm gonna wade through the tent. look at him. He's stupid. But yeah, we going to work. We work at the same place. Not the same place, but we work for the same company in the same area. So like his store is right down the street from my store. So we're basically taking the same route to work. So we used to do this with my Impala, but now I got the RT. This is our first time actually meeting up, like going to work together since I got my RT. When I had my Impala, we used to meet up all the time going to work. But this is crazy. I just ran into him on the free. And he he got his tents too, so he can roll down his window because he had his tents for a while. I just got mine yesterday, so I still gotta wait like 2 to 3 days, 4 days for him, so I can roll down my window. But I already texted him, so we already said what's up. That's why everything chill already. But now we gonna go ahead and put this joint in sport mode. You know, it's a little rainy on the streets, but let's see how we rock. I got a lot of traffic right now. So that sound was the raindrops on the freaking sunroof. So I just closed it. So ooh, we got another charge up there. Oh, you ain't getting over, bro. I'm sorry. We got a tunnel right here. What type of charge is it? It's another V6 style body. It might be a RT, it might be a SXT. Let's find out. I don't see a badge. He got a Hellcat spoiler, but I don't see no badge. Let's try to speed up a little bit. Oh, nah, he moving with me. I can't speed too much right as a speed camera, but look at that shit. I think it's probably an SXT. Who knows? But that ain't pretty though. Mine's still better. And he got the black front too, so it might, I don't know. Did he debadge it? Could it be a RT? I don't know. RTs are the only ones that come with the black face, right? I'm not sure. Yeah, just to give y'all an update, I'm stuck in traffic right now. So the reason why you better get this next clip is because I was probably stuck in traffic, and I'm gonna just skip it to where I start driving again. But I'm gonna talk to y'all real quick. Like I was saying about the whole winter and everything coming up, it's about to get cold. It's already cold now. The weather's changing, raining, snowing, and you know, car meets and stuff about to be over. So I'm still gonna try to figure out how to get car content for y'all. Probably do some snow videos, like a RT versus the snow, because I live on a hill as well. So I probably might get stuck a couple times. Who knows? I'm not really sure. But I'm definitely making videos on that, cleaning my car in the snow. What's the best way to warm your car up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna definitely get some more content for y'all with that. I'm still be adding stuff to the car over time, because that would be the time to actually get your car ready for like summertime and spring and stuff like that. So, and I might do some club stuff over the time. So you will see a lot of that stuff coming soon. But yeah, you know, I also started a GoFundMe for my bumpers, because this is the time I want to get my bumpers, get them painted and stuff like that. So if y'all want to check out the GoFundMe, the link should be down in the description. If you want to help out, $1.50, everything counts. It's just a jump start, like just to get it started, because it does cost a lot of money for me to switch my bumpers. So if y'all want to see the bumper switch and you want to help me out, get it done quicker, make sure you check out the GoFundMe link. Check out the Discord as well, because that's where we host like car meets and stuff on the game, if you want to get into that. Or you just want to chat it up with me. Let's see what else. Follow me on Instagram at Kuma345. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to cut this traffic stuff out, and we will get back to the driving. I got to be to work by 10:37. And it's 10:21, and I still got like another 18-minute drive in front of me. Oh man, Matt's still in front of me. But I'm about to get loose on you, Matt. Sorry, bro. Bye, Matt. I done cut it up with the one hand. Dangerous. Damn, look at the police. president? Boy, they just escorted Donald Trump out the bit. I'm glad I recorded that. I don't know how good it looked because I was too busy trying to speed on my side of the street, but we just saw Donald Trump on the highway. One little good pull for y'all real quick, even though it is kind of rainy outside. So I am risking my life right here for you guys. So let's do it. There you go, let's get it. Alright, we got 120 on there. I'm gonna end the video here, y'all, because I really gotta get to work on time. So I gotta focus on me getting to work versus me making this video. So I might not end it here. You might get, it might be another clip after this of me driving at nighttime. So you might not even hear this, but if you do hear this, this is the reason why I just skip right to nighttime. But y'all hold it down, man.